Hello kids! Let's learn about different jobs and professions. Teacher. A teacher is a person who helps us to learn new things. Doctor. A doctor is a special person who helps us when we are sick or hurt, and they know how to make us feel better and stay healthy. Fireman. A fireman is a person who protects us from fires and helps to keep us safe in emergencies. Farmer. A farmer is a hardworking person who grows plants and takes care of animals to provide us with food and other things we need. Policeman. A policeman is a person who helps to keep our community safe, catches bad persons, and also makes sure that we follow the rules. Tailor. A tailor is a person who stitches fabric to make clothes that fit us perfectly. Nurse. A nurse is a caring person who helps doctors, takes care of sick person and makes them feel better with medicine and kindness. Postman. A postman is a person who delivers letters and packages to our homes, bringing us messages and surprises. Dentist. A dentist is a special doctor who takes care of our teeth, keeps them healthy, and makes sure that our smiles are bright. Pilot. A pilot is a person who flies big airplanes and takes us on an exciting journeys through the sky. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.